In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your first app in HubSpot. By the end, you'll be able to integrate your favorite tools and set yourself up for a smoother, more automated workflow. First, sign into your HubSpot account so we're starting from the same place. Look to the top right and click the Settings gear icon. This opens your main settings area. In the menu on the left, find Integrations. This is where HubSpot manages all connections to external apps, so it's the perfect place to start. Inside Integrations, select Connect Your First App. HubSpot will take you to the App Marketplace, which is a curated library of tools that work with HubSpot. You'll see categories and featured options, but the quickest way to find what you need is the search bar. Type the name of the app you want to connect. Popular choices include Microsoft Outlook, Gmail, Slack, or Zoom. When you see the app you're looking for, click into its page to learn what it does with HubSpot, what data it syncs, and any special requirements. When you're ready, click Connect. A login or authorization window will pop up for that app. If your browser blocks pop-ups, allow them for this page so the window appears. Sign in with your credentials for that app and review the permissions being requested. HubSpot only uses the access it needs to sync and automate, but it's always a good idea to skim the list so you know exactly what's being shared. If you manage multiple accounts, like personal and work, double-check you're authorizing the correct one. Then click Allow or Authorize to grant permissions. Once authorization is complete, HubSpot confirms that the app is connected. From here, data from that app can sync with your CRM. Depending on the app, you might immediately see contacts, emails, meetings, or messages begin to log in HubSpot. The first sync can take a few minutes, especially if there's a lot of historical data, so don't worry if you don't see everything instantly. Now that the connection is live, you can start leveraging automation. For example, emails can log to contact timelines, meetings can create activities automatically, and messages can trigger notifications or tasks. Many apps also offer settings on their integration page where you can tailor which records sync and how often. If you ever need to review or manage the connection, you'll find it listed under Integrations in your settings as a connected app, and that's how you connect your first app in HubSpot. If this helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel.